Are you not getting as many likes or as much engagement as you think you should be getting on Instagram? Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best times for you to post on Instagram so you're maximizing the potential of each of your posts. Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm JT, and I'm just browsing through Instagram right now. And Instagram is a fantastic place, especially if you're a photographer, to get your work out there. But if you're like me, sometimes it can feel kind of defeating if you post a great image, something that you put a lot of work into, and it feels like no one else is looking at it, no one's seeing it, and of course, no one's liking it. So I'm going to show you guys the best times to post on Instagram. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the little home button. I'm going to go to my profile that I actually started not too long ago. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is at RunNGunPhoto, and feel free to follow me. Here's a little look at some of the things I've posted recently, but let's go up here to these three bars in the upper right-hand corner, and let's hit Insights. So in order to get this little Insights tab, what you have to do is enable a business profile. And once you have that business profile enabled, you will be able to see these insights and analytics for your own Instagram page. So what we're going to do is go over to Audience, and this page is going to take a second to load. And what's really cool is I can see right here how many followers I have, how many that has changed in the past week. I can also take a look at the top locations for my followers. I can see, if I scroll down a little bit, the age range that my followers fall into, the gender and all that good stuff. But down here is what I really want to take a look at. And right here, it says followers. You can hit these little eye icons and it kind of gives you help. So I can see average times your followers are on Instagram, hours, and days. And these are just little help buttons or cheat sheets. And what I'm going to do next is go over and hit days. And this little bar graph will show you exactly how many of your followers are logged in and on Instagram in a given day. So we can see last Friday, 785 of my followers were on. This past Thursday, 803 of my followers were on. So from this chart, I can see what the best day of the week to post. So if I really wanted to get the most out of my followership, I would post on either probably a Wednesday or a Thursday, and this graph will fluctuate depending on what times your followers are on. It's not always going to be the same every week, but it gives you a good general idea of the best day of the week to post. So I can hit the chart again to hide the numbers, and you can see the days with the highest numbers are going to be a darker blue, and the days that less of your followers are logged into Instagram are going to be a lighter blue. So you can just visually take a look at it, or again, just tap the chart to see the actual numbers. So the second part of when to post, and I actually think this is the most important, I'm going to go here and I'm going to click hours. And hours will show me exactly what time of day for each day of the week that my followers are on. So we can see here, if I'm looking to post on a Friday, I'm seeing the darker areas. And again, we can click to hide or click to bring back the numbers, but I'm going to hide those real quick. But we can see that most of my followers are on at 12 p.m. and quite a few are on at 9 and 3 p.m. as well. So that 6-hour range between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. is probably my prime time to post on Fridays. But if I go over 2 days and I see that Thursday is probably my best day to post, I can hit the little side arrow and go over to Thursday. And what time is the best time to post? Well, it still looks like 12 p.m. But I can scroll through the days and see for each day what the best time to post is. And for me and my personal profile, and this is going to change based on your followers, and everyone who watches this video is going to have a slightly different followership and a different niche that they're catering to. So your followers are going to be on at different times. So if I were to post my photo between 9 and noon, I would probably get the most viewership, the most likes, and the most interaction based on this graph, because that's when people are going to start logging in, and I won't have that fall off until 3 p.m. and after 3 p.m. So this is exactly why I love Instagram's insights and analytics so much. There's so much information stored in here that if you use it properly, you can see some really awesome things about your page, and you can utilize all of these tools to grow your page. I actually did another video about a year ago on Instagram insights and analytics and how to grow your page based on all of this information. So I'll link to that in the video and in the description. And if you want to get the most out of each and every one of your Instagram posts, I would definitely recommend checking out my video on how to get the sharpest Instagram images. Again, I'll link to that here, and I will link to that in the video description. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more of my photo tips and tricks video. And until next time, good luck on Instagram, and get out and go shoot.